Have you ever wondered what your users are really doing on your website? Are they getting stuck, abandoning carts, or struggling to find the buy now button? With Full Story, you can see exactly how visitors interact with your site through session replays, heat maps, and powerful analytics. In this step-by-step guide video, we will show how to use Full Story to uncover user behavior insight and optimize your website for the better performance. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up Full Story, analyze user session, and leverage data to improve your website. Now let's get started. Before diving in, let's take a moment to understand what Full Story is and why it's so powerful. According to the website, Full Story is a digital experience platform designed to help businesses understand how users interact with their website, hear what makes it stand out. So, very first thing which I really like, here they give you session replay. So you can watch recording of real user interaction to identify friction points. Track metrics like click rates, rage clicks, dead clicks, and drop off points. Find specific user session or segment audience behavior based on. Visualize where users are clicking, scrolling, and engaging most on your site. Right? So obviously there's a key highlight and I will keep giving you information in between while showing you each and everything here. To get started with Full Story, you have to just go and click on get a demo. But before going to the demo, let's go to the pricing and plans because this part is really important. Now here you will see there are four plans, right? The first one is a build. So for data science and analytics team to build predictive models or use data for Gen I and LLMs, right? Then there's a analyze and watch. So this is what you can use it. This is for completely different stuff. This is what I'm talking about, the business advanced and enterprise. Now here for the this is for the teams that need total cross-functional clarity into their digital project. It will help you to completely full capture, session insight, product analytics. And in the enterprise, you get some more features. For example, SSO and role-based permission and premium product analytics in advance, right? So if you just want to know more, you can just go and click on view all, and here they will just compare each and every plan. Now you will get to know. So for example, if I like to go with the business ones, I will just go use a demo. Now here in the demo part, you have to fill up all this information. For example, the business name, first name, last name, company name, country, and how we can help you, and click on submit. Now once you do this, they will say thank you, we have received your request for demo, a team member will be in touch of you. So here then after that you can schedule a plan on which day you want to get in contact with the team, and they will help you with it, right? So for example, here you have to select your time zone and then select the time here and click on continue. So it's really easy because to get started with the full story, you have to come up this website as I told you and paste it into your website HTML or tag manager. So if you're using a Google tag manager, let me show you up here. Google Tag Manager, and you have to just go up here and simply create a new tag and paste the snippet into this full story. Now use full story verification tool to ensure that snippet is working correctly. You should start seeing data within minutes, right? So once it automatically, it will fetch all the data and you can say exclude sensitive data, for example, like password, credit, and card fill or personal information to comply with data privacy regulation. So within moments, Full Story will begin recording user session and gather valuable data. Right now, one of the Full Story standout feature is session reply. So if you just let me show you, there's a session reply, right, and which allow you to watch real user interaction as if you were sitting next to them. So this will help you to exactly figure out and filter like data range, location, device tab, and user behavior to find specific session. For example, you can search for user who abandoned the cart or visited a specific landing page, right? Now this is really useful because if you just go and click on session to watch a playbook of the user journey, every click and scroll and hesitation, pay attention, sign of frustration, everything you can know. For example, there are rage clicks and dead clicks. For example, click on non-functional elements like images and empty space that you didn't knew, and if you see there's a repeating pattern behavior that the customer are just clicking on the dead clicks, then you will usually remove it, or if you add another link there, right? So user living during critical steps like checkout or form submission. So you can just analyze all the stuffs and you can fix it and you can make your website more immersive. So use this insight to identify areas of your website that need improvement. For example, if users are rage clicking a button, it might be broken or not functioning as expected. The session replay give you a front row seat to your user experience, helping you to make informed decisions. Now, there's a one more thing which I really like about the full story, that is a heat map for user behavior insight. Now, this is another powerful feature of the full story, which provide a visual representation of user behavior. So you will able to see which button, link or element are getting the most attention. This help you understand what user find most engaging or confusing. Understand how far user are scrolling down your page. Are they missing any important content because it's below the fold or it's too long? Identify areas where user repeatedly clicking out of frustration, signaling potential usability issue. So heat maps provide a bird eye view of user behavior, making it easier to spot trends and prioritize design change. Finally, full story analytics tool help you measure performance and make data driven decisions. So monitor metrics like bounce rate, conversion rates and time on stage to gauge overall performance. Full story AI flags usability issue automatically, such as broken link, confusing navigation path or elements causing frustration. So build a funnel to track how users move through your site and where they drop off. For example, you can analyze how many users start filling out form but never complete it. With this tool, you can optimize your website for better use and experience and higher conversion. And there's you have it, a complete guide to use full story for session reply and analytics, whether you're looking to improve user experience, boost conversions or troubleshoot issues. So full story have the tools to help you succeed. If you found this video very useful, make sure to like this video and subscribe.